So for this one, we're going to have two cams. We're going to do our basic circle, and then we're going to add two pieces. So you can see, so we're going to have our basic circle, and then we're going to do two different cams for the levers to work through, just to create some different kind of flow so you can see what two of these would actually look like. So what we're going to be doing then is, let's just find a shape and let's just try something different. I was going to do like an oval, but looking around on my work table, I kind of like this bean looking shape of the scissors. So let's do two of these, because you know what? Why not? So I'm just going to trace the inside of these. And we'll go ahead and cut these out and let's see what they look like. Now when I cut these scrap pieces off, these are what I use to kind of hold things in place when I put the little pieces of styrofoam at the ends of the box. So those are always good pieces to hold on to because you don't need very much, just enough. Just gonna cut these guys out here.
What's that?
And these are gonna be the cams that move the top. But I kind of made it a goofy shape, didn't I?
Yeah.
There's one.
That kind of looks like a bean, like a big bean.
A big jelly bean. The black jelly bean, the flavor that nobody likes.
It's poop.
It's
Dog food. That's the one I don't like that at all. Like at all. Like only one bit. Well, it can be one bit.
Alright, then we'll get our circle out here. And I honestly have no idea how these are going to work. So if they don't work, you know what, we'll just create a different shape. So let's, we're going to have to stick these guys on. Now for these to work, we're going to put them on different sides. So we're going to put one high, and then we're going to put one low here.
Is that like one of those topical ones?
And I made that a little bit more challenging by putting those on first, but it's all good. There we go. Okay. And then put our cam follower on top. Okay. So we're going to try to get this guy let's see how this works. So one of the things that you're going to see here, if you look down below, we got a glitch because see how the curve of this shape is here? We have the opposite curve here, which is going to cause a glitch. It's going to cause it to snag. So I think what I need to do is I need to change this out. Oops. And so now I think if we've done this right, now it might only spin one direction. That's part of the learning here. Is pops up there. There we go. Now we got it. Now our little beans are working. And now you can see that we can have more action in this up and down. Almost like a pitter-patter. So now we can start to get two kind of cams as we're rocking and rolling. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this one up. So people can see how this looks. And then we'll move on to another cool design.
And it will look something maybe like this.